Chip. A Rylap production. This one's for you, Fat Louie.
All cat so fat, and that is a fact. You try to lift her up and you'll break your back. Clocking in at 150 pounds. She wins every competition for the fattest cat around.
There once was a fat cat named Moo. We wanted her to leave soon because she was as fat as a big balloon. So we decided to name her Fat Louie. She would be in the Dead Sea for some strange reason. She found a house and she ate a mouse. She was a douse cat because she ate a mouse in a house. Fat cat with the bat. There once was a cat named Crescent Moon. Then one night she ate the moon. We knew she would blow up very soon. She started to make a weird cocoon. We finally knew what we had to do. We put her in a big balloon because she had to see the baboon. Then she blew off course. She fell out of that big balloon because of a very bad typhoon. She fell down a skinny chimney, and guess what? See, Santa Claus was there. He made her skinny once again. Then she woke up from the dream, and she saw a beam. Santa Claus said, "Don't be afraid." Then that fat cat fainted, and that's the end of the big fat cat.
What are you guys talking about?
All cat so fat, and that is a fact. You try to lift her up and you'll break your back. Clocking in at 150 pounds. She wins every competition for the fattest cat around.